The rear camera mount is an important part for the driver of our race cars. These parts together, as they're assembled, hold the camera that focuses on the rear of our race cars, and it acts essentially as the rear view mirror for our drivers. So instead of seeing a reflected image, the drivers are seeing a projected image from the camera that faces to the rear of the car. And in this way, the driver is able to see where the cars are behind him and how to maneuver according to that image. The rear camera mount design process starts with a design engineer, and this person needs to design the components that hold the actual camera that we're provided with, and it needs to do so in a way that it's held tight enough to handle the vibrations that occur on the track, and also to allow it to be positioned in a way, flexible enough in a way that the driver can see everything he or she wants to see. There is flexibility of freedom because the Figure 4 standalone machine allows almost an infinite number of geometries to be designed for the parts of this rear camera mount. Compared to CNC machining, we don't need to be concerned about undercuts or draft or anything like that, because 3D printing gives us that kind of flexibility in the process of designing the parts. 3D Systems technologies, whether it be their printers or the materials, or actually both, gives us a great advantage of what we do in racing here at Stewart Haas Racing. We have this technology because it enables us to produce parts very quickly. The speed in which the printers print is fantastic and allows us to produce these parts fast so we can get them on the cars, sometimes for the race coming up this coming weekend. And the materials themselves, there's many options, many colors, and it gives us the advantage to choose between durability and other properties like heat, if we need a high heat application, and then surface finish on all of these materials is really very good.